Hey guys, this is the second part of the presentation, and we're going to be going over two different ideas of communication and speech is going to be our two main ideas, and I'm going to have some apps and some devices that go with them. The first app on communication is probably the most popular one. It's called Prolo Quo to Go. It's an actual device that looks almost like an iPad, and it's a symbol supported communication app that provides a voice to individuals who cannot speak. It's got a lot of pictures on it. These kids will carry this around with them throughout their school day or even out in public. And when they have an answer, they're able to look at that visual of the picture that best answers the question, and then they just use that for their communication. It's very simple and something that's not too big to carry around, but the kids seem to use this one the most. The other one that we have is Voice for You. This is an ACC app that helps individuals' feelings, thoughts, and actions and needs. So it's a little bit more precise on what they're going for. So it's an app that they'll go into, and if they're feeling a certain way or they have thoughts, they kind of go into this to get more into their feelings. The third app that we have is Let Me Talk, and this is an ACC device that's specifically designed for ASD that allows children to design sentences and images for voice support. I really like this one because we have to deal with a lot of students with ASD, and this class has been talking about ASD. That's been the main topic of everything, and it's just kind of a cool way for those kids to express how they are because they're so smart, but sometimes getting it out um, voice with their voice is tough. But I really like this app. Um, the other one is now about speech, and these are speech generation apps. And the first one that we have is the Toby Dynavox. This is the Toby Dynavox is a software development company that manufactures and distributes speech generating devices. They design devices that suit the needs of the child and help them with speech impairment. So this is where parents would, call this company and have them make an exact one for their child, kind of explaining what they're struggling with or what they need, and then it kind of goes very precise for them. So it's pretty popular too. The other one that we have is the Speech Watch. The Speech Watch has an integrated app called Talk Tablet that can be worn on their wrist. So it's kind of nice because sometimes with the other devices, some of the students will forget them or they'll lose them. But this is a watch that they're gonna always have on them, and it's for the ones that can speak kind of good but not great. So they'll speak into it, and then it will repeat what they're saying and allow it for others to hear. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over my references. I'll just let you guys take a look at that and you can go through those to see how they were. I hope you guys learned a little bit.